Slide in, Vinny. Yeah, slide in. Just slide in.
It's actually really strong. I don't like it.
Try to swim against it.
What?
Try to swim.
No, I'm not taking my feet off the ground.
Do it.
No.
See how far you float down.
No, it's scary. Okay. Okay, let me get over here and then I'll do that. Do I look like Superman?
Yeah, sure.
Or like Aquaman? It's really difficult, you know?
No, Jack, stop eating rocks. He's trying to eat a big rock.
Why is he trying to eat rocks in the first place? Okay, this rock right
It
here.
was like a boulder.
No, well, why is he trying to eat him in the first place?
Maybe one time he thinks it's gonna taste good.
Yeah, but don't he know that they hurt his teeth? They ought to hurt his teeth.
Come on, Brandy, swim over here.
That's the scary one.
I think he dropped a rock on his foot.
Wait, what camera is that?
My little, it got broken. Oh my God!
What?
The current was taking her.
It's a little funny.
Hey, don't be throwing rocks.
Mom, come in.
Can you not make that face?
I got this. Oh, shit! Shit, the life is deeper here! I like nearly died just now. Okay! I'm gonna try and... This is really difficult. Midgets aren't supposed to do this.
He's like throwing rocks all over and he hit his head with one.